Welcome to the MSTAR training session to detain the students, especially who have to appear in the compartment test. So we cannot promote them in regular promotion and they are not even failed. In such cases, we have an option in which we will detain them in the current class section, whereas they will be forwarded to the next academic year. This step also needs to be followed in the current academic year, that is the previous academic year, and not in the new academic year. So before we can start these steps, ensure that we have changed the academic year. For this, click on the academic year in the bottom of the application and select the academic year, which in our case would be 2015 and 16. Click OK after selecting the academic year and it welcomes us to the selected academic year. Click OK on the message. We are already in the admission module and we click on activities and select student promotion. The steps for the regular promotion are already available in the other session. The regular promotion is used for promoting the students from the current session into the new session, into the new class, or failing the students in cases where the students have to appear in the compartment test. We will use the option special cases in this screen. Please remember that the cases where we have to detain the students for compartment needs to be done before the regular promotion, that is before we promote all the students to the next class. In special cases, we will be able to detain the student in the current class, whereas their details will get transferred to the new academic year. So let us see the steps. Select the academic year in the screen. Select session, select class and select the student name who needs to be detained. Now in this case, there is no session change and the student needs to be retained in the same session. So we will select an option same session. After selecting the same session option, we select the option detention and we will see that the fields below gets populated. The field new academic year by default will show the next academic year which has already been created for the school. The reason automatically shows as detention as we have selected the option as detention. The session, because we have selected the same session, it is showing us the same session as primary. And now we have to select the class. Since the student is not getting promoted and we need to detain the student in the current class section, it is only showing us class 1 in this case. So let us select class 1A for the student and the date. We can enter the date as required. So let us enter date as 1st of April 2016. After doing these steps, click on the button save and we receive the data saving confirmation message. Click OK on the data saving confirmation message. Now if we go to the regular promotion screen, select the academic year, select the class and the session. We will not see the name of the child we have just detained in the current class. This is because the student has been forwarded to the new academic year 2016 and 17 in the same class 1A. Now we can proceed with a regular promotion as per the steps already informed earlier. Again, for other cases, click on special cases. Again, in case there are other students for compartments, again go on special cases. Again click on the option special cases and repeat the steps as required. Now to check the detained student, let us click on exit and check the current academic year for the student details. For this, let us change the academic year to 2016-17. Click on activities and select the screen student personal details. Select academic year, select session, click on view and you will see the name of the student as we have detained. So the student has been detained in class 1A and has been transferred to 2016 and 17. Click on exit button and repeat these steps as required. Thank you for watching this video.